So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be practicing with proportion using tables. So the first thing you need to do is read the problem. Randy mows yards to earn extra money. He mowed 3 yards in 90 minutes. If he continues to mow at the same rate, how many yards would he mow in 5 hours? So the first thing I like to do is I like to find the labels. Let me get my highlighter and find the labels. I This is about yards. The question is asking how many yards in hours. So it's about yard and time. So yard and time. So I'm going to write this down. So I'm going to label this yards, and then I'll label this as time. But what type of time do I want to do? I'm going to do minutes because here they list it as minutes. So we need to figure out what 5 hours is. So now it's time to put the numbers in the correct spot. So 3 yards take how many minutes? 90 minutes. How many yards would he mow in 5 hours? Well, let's think about it. An hour consists of 60 minutes. 2 hours consists of another 60 minutes. 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. 60 groups, 5 groups of 60, or 60 times 5 is 300. So 300 goes here. So there are several ways you can solve it. There's called the up and down relationship or the side to side relationship. I'm going to attempt the up and down relationship first. How do you break down a 90 to a 3? How do you break down a 90 to a 3? I am going to divide it by what number? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So it's 90 divided by 30. So what's 300 divided by 30? Well, let's see. 300 divided by 30. 30 goes into 30 one time. 30 goes into 0 time. So the answer is 10. So 3 yards take 90 minutes. 10 yards will take 300 minutes. But what if you don't like doing a side to side, up and down relationship? You'd rather do something called a side to side relationship. So we can break it down using unit rate. So I'm going to break it down to 1 yard. So I'm going to divide by 3, 30 minutes. So every yard takes 30 minutes. Yeah, which makes sense. If you think about it, if you're cutting your front yard, it takes about 30 minutes and backyard. So what if I want to mow 300 minutes or 300 minutes? How do I build it up from 30 minutes to 300 minutes? Times 10 times 10. Hey, the answer is 10 as well. So the main thing is you need to label it, put the numbers in the correct spot. You can do an up and down relationship or side to side relationship. Thank you.